Well, you have probably missed this, but this is the actually how you should clean your oven to make it more cleaner. So what you have to do is, of course, you can clean the bottom, but you need to clean the side as well. Because of this, you cannot clean it properly. So in order to take this out, all you need to do is push down, and then it will basically pop off just like so. So what it does, it will give you a good area to clean on your side as well, because it's kind of dirty, but I have cleaned it on the side, so it looks better here. But yeah, you should clean as well, so your food doesn't smell kind of, smoky. So in order to put this inside, again, all you need to do is there is a tool plug here. So you need to plug upper side first, just like I'm doing it right now here, upper side, and it will just click to the places just like so. Now what I want you to do when you have, before you clean, I want you to like basically set it for 15 minutes, 200 Celsius for warm. So what it does, it will, like, if you have some fat on your oven, it will just make it easier to clean.